Hello, thinkers and lifelong learners. Welcome to the Growth Mindset Company channel. If you're looking for an in-depth exploration of today's topic and more, make sure to visit www.wisdomwavashub.com. The link is also available in the description below. Today, we're diving deep into the intricacies of construction contracts, specifically the FIDIC Yellow Book 1999. This framework is a cornerstone in the construction industry, and we've had some enlightening discussions about its various clauses. One of the standout clauses is Clause 4.8 Safety Procedures. It emphasizes the importance of safety in construction projects. The clause mandates contractors to adhere to safety regulations, ensure the safety of all individuals on the site, provide necessary safety measures, and appoint an accident prevention officer. But it's not just about understanding a single clause in isolation. It's about seeing how it interacts with other clauses, providing a comprehensive view of the topic. For instance, Clause 4.8 intricately links with Subclause 4.1 regarding the contractor's responsibility and Subclause 6.7 concerning the health and safety of the contractor's personnel. Our discussions also touched upon the significance of logical reasoning in understanding and implementing these clauses. Logical reasoning helps discern fact from fiction and ensures that the knowledge provided is both accurate and relevant. We also delved into the importance of communication standards, especially in the context of construction contracts. Proper communication ensures clarity, reduces misunderstandings, and fosters a collaborative environment. Now, for those of you managing or working on projects, understanding these clauses is just the beginning. It's equally crucial to have checklists, structured processes, and regular audits to ensure that safety procedures and other requirements are being met consistently. We owe the depth and quality of today's insights to the dedication and effort that went into curating and creating the content on www.wisdomwavashub.com. It's a treasure trove for anyone looking to deepen their understanding of various topics. So, thinkers and lifelong learners, we invite you to join us on this journey of discovery. Dive deep, ask questions, and let's grow together. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more enlightening content. And remember, always keep that growth mindset alive.